हरे कृष्णा। श्री ईशोपनिषत् मंत्र 2। कुर्वन् एवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच चात्तं समः एवां त्वयि ध्यायते तोस्ति न कर्मा लिप्यते नरे। The translation is: one may aspire to live for hundreds of years if he continuously goes on doing work in that way, because that sort of work will not bind him to the law of karma, and there is no alternative to this way for man. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness, explains in purport that the greatest danger of life is to glide down again into the evolutionary cycle of birth and death. The cycle of birth and death is present in life other than the human form. The living being is eternal by nature, but due to his bondage in the material existence, he has to change his body from one to another. This process is called transmigration of the soul. This transmigration is also called karma bandhana, or being bound by one's own work. When the living entity gets the chance for human life, however, it is his chance to get free from the chain of the law of karma. Actions which are done in terms of the prescribed duties mentioned in the revealed scriptures are called karma. Actions which make one free from the cycle of birth and death are called akarma. And actions which are performed by the misuse of one's freedom, thereby directing oneself towards the lower region of life, are called vikarma. Of these three categories of activities, the one which makes one free from the cycle of further bondage to karma is performed by intelligent man. Ordinary man want to perform good work in order to be recognized and to achieve some status of life in this world or in heaven. But more advanced man want to be free altogether from the actions and reactions of work. Intelligent men know well that both good and bad works are equally causes of the material miseries of life. They therefore seek to do work which will free them from the reactions of good and bad work. This freedom from good and bad work is ascertained here within Ishopanishad, Sri Ishopanishad, in which His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada given the wonderful purport and explanations are available in all ISKCON temples. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.